Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious, creamy watermelon agua fresca that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this creamy watermelon agua fresca, these are the ingredients: a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, heavy whipping cream, 1 condensed milk, 1 evaporated milk, of course, watermelon, and ice. This is everything we need, so let's get started. I am going to first make my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. I am going to take it to the stove. I'm going to cook it. And when it starts boiling and the water turns a light yellow, that's when you know that it is done. Remember, when you make your simple syrup, you use less sugar than if you just add the granulated sugar to your lemonades. Put it aside, let it come to room temperature, and then you're ready to begin making your delicious and creamy watermelon agua fresca. I have about 4 cups of watermelon. I'm going to go ahead, add it in here. I'm not going to add any water. I want to obtain all the amazing juice of the watermelon. And I'm using my NutriBullet. Of course, you could use honey, agave, monk fruit, sugar. You decide. But don't forget your pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is really going to bring up the flavor of your watermelon. I am going to go ahead, blend away. And I am the first one here in YouTube sharing with you this delicious, creamy watermelon agua fresca. Like I said, I'm the queen of the lemonades. And you are going to love and enjoy this agua fresca. Nice and creamy. Put it through a sifter. Get all the pulp out. And it's not going to even come apart. It's going to be nice and liquidy and nice and creamy. Believe me, I am sure that once you make it, you are going to fall in love with it. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Be part of my family. Share this video with your members in your family. And of course, enjoy my watermelon creamy lemonade. I'm adding the heavy whipping cream directly into the juice of the watermelon. I'm going to add the evaporated milk. And I'm going to add 1 condensed milk. I added 4 cups of watermelon in cubes, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and if it's needed, we are going to add some simple syrup. Remember, when you're adding all these milks to the watermelon, it starts turning into a little pale white. You want to make sure that you add, this is optional, a little bit of red food coloring to give it that beautiful reddish orange color. I'm adding a little bit of my simple syrup we made in the beginning. And let me tell you, this creamy watermelon agua fresca comes out refreshing and delicious. And here I'm adding just a couple drops of red food coloring to give it that special color. And I am ready. I can't wait to enjoy it. I can't wait to put it in my glass full of ice. Is your mouth watering? Are you thirsty? If you are, make this amazing watermelon creamy agua fresca. You are going to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. You are going to love this agua fresca. Can't wait to enjoy with my beautiful family. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Remember, I am the queen of the lemonades. Go to my playlist. You could find so many different lemonades, creamy and delicious. So I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing creamy watermelon agua fresca. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Really creamy. The flavor of the watermelon so penetrated. Just perfection made at home. Amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing agua fresca, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. I will stay enjoying this amazing watermelon, creamy, delicious agua fresca. See you soon. Bye-bye.